Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo on XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, move to the additional settings. Click on languages and input, select manage keyboards and then tap on the settings. Go for the theme, and right now we have to click right here. And right now we can take one of this picture to customize our theme. I will go for this one. Here we are able to change size of the picture. Click next, set up brightness level, click done, and here we can turn off and turn on the keyboarders. Click apply, and now we can just enjoy your new keyboard theme. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.